Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to oops, almost forgot. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. I really do appreciate you guys for coming back. Thank you guys so much for coming. So this would be Panda featuring Mr. Miyagi, and this is the audio version to the song Endorphin. So I'm curious to see what these guys will be giving us, because I really do like Andy Panda and Mr. Miyagi. Miyagi.
Моя симба подроя без ума. Тут логово подорванного дурмана. Тебе собранять гадай кому. Молитвами я разгонял туман. На колени пал, воспевая джаз. Задумами летел и не понимал. Эти мысли в плоти кричали так, что люди находили во мне себя. Это сладкая музыка, любовь, что без устали нас накрывала, не жалея. Грязными танцами определили мы на мире пути, не сожалея. Играла на чувствах акустика, тут кричала нам огонь батарея. Мы ждали, как дети, той самой войны, незаконченной эпопея.
Виски, дэнс, голый образ, местный став, грубый голос, стиль, кэш, чекпоинт, бонус. Ты секс, мой тонус, дикий дэнс, целую сторис. Ты жгучий васаби, где тормоз, кружит сон, играет танго. Ты лучше хита, выше ранга. Эй, бэтбой, что тут забыли? Зову на батл, танцую синий, крошка, палец, целуй фортуна.
For someone I'm not really too much into the rapping too much, I really don't know how to dissect rappers and their artistry and their lyric and anything. But one thing I could say about Mr. Miyagi and Andy Panda is that I love their flow to their beat. Whatever song or beat you give them, they can work with it. They can deliver on it, which tells me that they're good at what they do. They're not just some one-hit wonder rappers. They're not just some rappers that live in, that is, how can I say it? They're not the type of rappers that they don't sound the same in all their songs, if that makes sense. They have longevity within this. You have some rappers out there is like, oh, you know, your last 5 albums sounds the same like your new one. But each song that I've listened to or react to from Mr. Miyagi and Andy Panda, it sounds different. However, their styling is the same, but it sounds different, if that makes sense. Well, to me, it makes sense.
Висим на баре, губа не дура. Мы пляшем, как дети, пьяный ветер. На, здесь леди, она зависает на облаках, а я разбиваюсь на кабаках.
Oh, they be having some good beats with their songs. They do. They be having some good beats. So that was my reaction to Andy Panda featuring Mr. Miyagi, Endorphin. It was beautiful. Maybe I need to react to it or listen to it again and read the lyrics to it, but I feel it. I feel it. They really do make good music over there in Russia. They really do. And maybe for me, I'm praising them a lot more too, because the Trench Town reggae song that they did, and they embodied the reggae feeling. So that what made me really like Mr. Miyagi and the Panda really so much, how they embodied my culture, reggae, and that was everything I needed. So thanks to the person who brought them to my channel and also recommend me to react to this video. I really do appreciate it. And song. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I get to it as soon as possible. It's always who can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.